If you have just 30 minutes to cook dinner, what will you make? Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll share a very quick but delicious spaghetti recipe that is ready in less than 30 minutes. My name is Oge and you're welcome to my kitchen. Let's get started. My protein of choice for today's recipe is beef, and this is my properly washed beef. I've also gone ahead to cut the beef into very thin slices. I'll proceed to season the beef, and I've just gone in with my all-purpose seasoning. I used about a teaspoon. I also added curry powder, dry thyme, a little bit of dry thyme, grounded cayenne pepper, this is spicy, one seasoning cube. I added salt, ginger and garlic paste, and a little oil to help bind the spices together. I'll mix this properly until every part of the beef is well coated with the spices, and then I'll cover it and allow it to marinate for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Kindly check the description box for the list of spices that I used to season the beef, and feel free to take out or add to what I used in this video. 10 minutes later, it's time to fry the beef. I'll heat up a little amount of cooking oil, introduce the beef into the frying pan, and I'll fry until it is nice and ready. That is done till the color changes to golden brown and it's properly cooked. So this should take about 4 minutes or 5 minutes thereabouts. If you're stopping by for the first time today, hello, a warm welcome to you. My name is Oge. Kindly consider subscribing to be a part of this amazing YouTube family. I promise you will love it here, and subscription is absolutely free. So please hit on the subscribe button to be a part of us, and then go to the channel to catch up on amazing recipe videos that I have on here. You will love the recipes. Please subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so you're among the first to get notified whenever I post new videos. Beef is ready, and I'm just going in with my chopped onion into the same oil that I used in frying the beef, because the oil is infused with lots of flavors. I'll saute the onion for about 2 minutes, and then I'll go in with my ginger and garlic paste. I'll let that fry for a minute before going in with my curry powder and dry thyme. This is just to build up flavors, and I always recommend that you do this. Give that a good stir, and I'll let it fry for an additional 1 minute, and then I felt like the oil in the pan was not enough, so I went in with more oil. After frying for about a minute, I added my tomato paste. I'll use my spoon to break it up, and I'll fry until it becomes sweet. You know the tomato paste is sweet when you see oil floating on top of it. And at this time, I've just gone in with my pepper mix. This is a combination of onion, peppers, and tomatoes. I'll give that a very good stir, and I'll continue to fry until some of the water content in it dries up. This should take about 3 to 4 minutes because I don't have a lot here. So while that is going on, I'll proceed to cook my pasta. I brought a pot of water to a boil, and I'll season with some salt before going in with my spaghetti. Always ensure that you cook according to the instructions written on the pack of the spaghetti you're using. If it says to cook for 10 minutes on the pack, I recommend you cook for about 7 minutes because the spaghetti will continue to cook inside the stew base. I'll cover this and let it parboil for about 7 minutes. So let's go check on the stew. This is what it's looking like. It's properly fried and ready to accept my spices. I've just gone in with all-purpose seasoning. I've added salt. I'm adding my seasoning cube. I'll also add a little bit of curry powder. After adding my preferred spices, I'll stir properly until they combine, and then I'll continue to fry. Feel free to season yours with your favorite spices. I'll add a little water to loosen up the stew, and I'll continue to cook. So let's go check on the spaghetti. It's been cooking for about 6 minutes now. So this is what the spaghetti is looking like. This is just perfect. This is what you should aim to achieve. If you cook your spaghetti for a very long time as opposed to what is written on the pack, you end up with soggy pasta, and we don't want that. I'll proceed to transfer the spaghetti into my stew base. After adding the spaghetti, I'll add some of the pasta water to help the stew base or the sauce to stick to the spaghetti properly. And then I'll proceed to give that a very good mix until they get to know each other really well. If you've watched up to this point, thank you so much for staying with me. It shows you're enjoying the recipe, and I'm so grateful to have you here. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying out the spaghetti recipe. Like I said, this recipe is very easy to put together, and it is ready in less than 30 minutes. So after stirring that properly, I'll go in with my fried beef. Do you know that I'm active on other social media platforms? If you're not aware, then this is me officially telling you that I'm very active on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And the handle to search for is oge_anyoku on Facebook and Instagram, and oge anyoku on TikTok. Please do well to follow me, watch my videos, like, share, and leave me beautiful comments in the comments section. After about 3 minutes, I present to you this delicious pot of spaghetti. To finish off this delicious recipe, I'll go in with some spring onion for that extra pop of color. Guys, this is ready. I present to you this pot of yummy goodness. It smells amazing in here. Food is ready and it's time for me to do this deliciousness into my plates. If you're still with me up to this point, kindly comment yummy in the comment section. So it's time to plate the spaghetti. I'm trying really hard to plate the spaghetti, but this is also trying very hard not to cooperate. Thank you for stopping by. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up to get it to a wider reach. Share it out to your family and friends. Leave me your comments in the comments section, and please subscribe to the channel if you're yet to do so. Thank you for stopping by, and I would love to see you all in my next one. Bye.